Hello everyone, today I have a heavy-duty fence post anchor repair kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside.
Inside of the box, we get 4 anchors, 4 support attachments, and a bag with screws, tools, and user guide. This is everything you get in the box. As you can see, the user guide has images and the instructions are very easy to follow. I'll start by attaching the bottom and top part of the anchor with the small screws included in the bag. The screws are made from premium stainless steel which resists rust and corrosion for a guaranteed long-lasting hold, and once attached, it turns into one solid piece. It is 10 millimeters thick, making it strong and increases fence stability once installed. I'll be using a hammer and wooden piece to hammer it into the ground and avoid damaging the screws. The cross design makes it easy to place it 15.7 inches underground by distributing pressure evenly to 4 sides, which also helps maximize the anchor's holding power and preventing it from bending or twisting. The bag also includes a drill bit, 10mm hex driver bit, and the screws that go into the fence. The installation process is straightforward. I start by attaching the drill bit to my drill and dig into each hole where the screws are going to go. After making the holes, I'll attach the 10mm hex driver bit and begin putting each screw into place while holding the fence in a straight position. As you can see, it is very easy to install. It can also be used to support a sign, mailbox, post, fence gate, or any other structure requiring additional support.
As you can see, my fence is straight once again. It was starting to fall over to my neighbor's backyard, but I was able to get it back into its original position thanks to the heavy-duty fence anchor kit. And this is the end result, a straight fence.